In this video, we will learn an Excel function which is called as time value. Time value function is a useful tool to working with the time data in our spreadsheets. It converts a text string and represents it into a numbers like serial numbers or decimal values, and that can be used for calculation purpose. Equals to time value, and I'm going to point it to the cell where my time is stored as a string. Enter, and as you can see that it has converted into the decimal value. I just need to go to formatting and change my formatting into time. Let's see how to enter the string inside the time value function. Time value, quotes. It's important to remember that the text string needs to be properly formatted in the order of the time. So 04, 31 and minutes 15 seconds, and then you can mention AM or PM. So let's say AM, enter. So as you can see, the string value has been converted into this decimal value, and where we can also perform the calculation minusing it from the previous time. So here we get the results, and let's go and change the formatting again over here, where we can go to more format, and we can come to the time, and where you can see 37 hours, you can add it over here. Now since we are getting this dash because it's in a negative one, the time cannot be into the negative. So let's say 3 p.m. minus this date. So that's like 10 hours, 58 minutes, 45 seconds. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.